Welcome back to Villa Sandahl and our harvest efforts. We have now harvested, we have pressed, and it is time for the first racking of the yeast. We assemble our home design tool for sucking up the yeast. After 2 days the yeast is almost clear, as you can see.
Úgy van, hogy eddig, ugye? Jobbos lesz majd. Csak a sebességet te...
And we gradually begin to suck the yeast up. And the deposit is remaining on the bottom of the tank.
I don't want to lose so much juice, but
I understand.
soon I will.
After the yeast is racked, it is time for fermentation. We use a procedure where we start with small amounts of wine and we add the yeast in different stages. We calculate how much of the yeast that will be needed. We use a yeast that we import from France. It is the mildest yeast they use in Alsace to still get dry wines. We use a high precision scale to select the amount of yeast that we need. So here is the yeast, the small amount of wine and some nutrients for the yeast. We warm water to have a good start for the fermentation. It should be body warm. And then we add the yeast to that warm water.
You begin with the yeast, and then you take in some wine.
Yeah.
So we will have rather small amount of sugar
Yeah. In the first step.
in the first step.
Gradually we will add in more and more cold wine. And the good thing with this procedure is that you can see that the yeast is working like it should. After the yeast is added to the wine itself, we begin to measure. And this will be done continuously twice a week until the fermentation is over in about February or March next year.
See a bubble.
Here is the instrument we use for measuring.
Yeah.
In 30 seconds we get a number of important factors from the yeast. And it comes up in a beautiful table on the computer. So this was all from the harvest. See you in March. Bye bye.